how to redeem your Fortnite gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can redeem your Fortnite gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to redeem your Fortnite gift card, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then open up your browser. Once you open your browser, you'll just see this type of interface where it says fortnite.com. so just go to fortnite.com over here. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to fortnite.com, just tap the three lines option from the top right if you're on mobile. If you're on PC, you'll find this more button from the very top, but for mobile users, here you'll find the more option, where under more option you have to select this option known as V-Bucks. So just go ahead and tap on the V-Bucks option. Once you tap on V-Bucks, here you can see it says redeem your V-Bucks card. So all you have to do is just tap on the get started option. Now when you tap on the get started option, if you have not logged into your Epic Games account, it will ask you to sign into your Fortnite or your Epic Games account. So make sure to sign in, and after you sign in, you will see this type of interface where it asks you to simply enter the code PIN. So all you have to do is simply go ahead and make sure to enter your code or the PIN of your V-Bucks gift card. Once you've done that, just tap the next option and then your V-Bucks gift card of Fortnite will be successfully redeemed. This way you can redeem your Fortnite V-Bucks card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.